Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is something unexpected happened and the error code is 0x80D02017. So if you are receiving this error message while downloading or installing any application or games from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Store. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it. Then click on your account, click on sign out, again click on your profile icon, click on sign in, select your account, click on continue, enter the PIN or password over here, and once logged in, try to use Store. Also make sure that date and time zone is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. And make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on, and then click on sync now, and once done try to use Store. The next step is to run Windows Store and update Troubleshooter. For that, go to the start menu, click on settings, go to update and security, click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows update, then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is done, try to use Store. Still you're facing the problem, scroll down and here you can see Windows Store apps. So click on it and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is done, try to use Store. The next step is to restart Windows Update Services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down and find Windows Update. So make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then click on apply. Now click on start if it is highlighted and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected, click on restart or start, and once done try to use Store. Now the next step is to clear Store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then make a right click on wsreset, then click on run as administrator, and you will see this black screen. Do not close this black window. It will take some time. Within few seconds or maybe a minute, this black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. So just wait for the Microsoft Store to open up. Now you can see the black screen is gone and you can see the Microsoft Store. Now you can try to use Store. Now still you are facing the error message. In that case you can update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, click on settings, click on update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to use Store. The next step is to reset Store app. To reset Store app, go to the start menu, click on settings, then click on apps, and then scroll down, or you can just simply type in Store in search, then click on Microsoft Store, then click on advanced options, scroll down, click on reset, and once the reset is done, try to use Store. So once you see a tick mark over here, you can try to open Store. The next step is to run Powershell command. These commands are provided in the video description. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin. Make sure that you're clicking on Windows PowerShell admin, and then click on yes. Copy the first command, paste it on the PowerShell window, then hit the enter key. Now once done, run the second command, then hit the enter key, and now you can try to open the Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the Store. To uninstall, you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, then click on yes to allow, paste the first command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall the Store. Now once you type in Store, it will not open up. So if you click on it, it will not open up. Now run the second command, which will reinstall the store. So paste it and then hit the enter key, and once reinstalled, you can go ahead and try to open store now. So it may take a couple of seconds. So type in store once again and then open Microsoft Store. Now still you are facing the error message. In that case, you can run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, cmd, and then make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then run the first command, that is sfc scan. So copy this, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, you run the second command. So copy this and then paste it over here, and then hit the enter key once this scan is 100% complete. And once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to use store. The next step is to use this initcpl.cpl command. So you can go ahead and type in initcpl.cpl in Windows search box and click on initcpl.cpl. Go to the advanced tab and then scroll down and make sure TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is checked over here. So if something is unchecked, go ahead and check it, then click on apply. Okay, and this is only for TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Apply, okay, and then try to launch store. Now if nothing is working, in that case you can update Windows 10 using media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Agree to the terms, click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next and let the download complete. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now once the update is 100% complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now this is checked by default. Do not make any changes. Make sure this is checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, and then you can click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and then you can use store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.